Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to disable or turn off vanish mode on Instagram. So if vanish mode is enabled on your Instagram account and now you want to turn it off, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to disable or turn off vanish mode, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Click on the message icon at the top right. Now go to the chat where vanish mode is enabled. So if vanish mode is enabled in this particular chat, then you should say vanish mode turned on. Now, to disable vanish mode on this particular chat, all you just need to do is swipe up on the chat like this until you say swipe up to turn off vanish mode. So just swipe up and it should say release to turn off vanish mode. Once you release your hand, this is going to turn off vanish mode. And if you scroll down, you should see vanish mode disappeared. If you scroll up again, it's going to turn off vanish mode. And if you scroll down and swipe up, it's going to turn off vanish mode. So that is basically how to disable or turn off vanish mode on Instagram. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.